Mom said, no candy? It is morning. The family is in the kitchen. Today is shopping day. Shopping day? Yay! Mom, can I buy candy today? Please! We need milk, bread, eggs, and fruit. No candy today. I know you love candy, Ben, but candy is not on the list today. We need milk, bread, eggs, and fruit. I will help you, Mom. I can carry the bags. Thank you, Lily. You are a good helper. Maybe I can find candy at the store. Mom will not see.
Ready, everyone? Let us go. The supermarket is waiting. We are arrived at the supermarket. It is very big.
Okay, everyone. We need 4 things today. Milk, bread, eggs, and fruit. Stay close to me. Ben, you are looking at the candy aisle. Mom said no candy, remember? I know. I am just looking.
Why Ben is not staying close? I think he is looking for candy.
Wow! Look at all this candy! The candy is everywhere! Just one bag. Mom will not see. It is just one small bag. Maybe I can hide one bag. Okay. Nobody saw. Everything is fine. Ben, what is in your pocket? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. It is just pocket air.
Finally, the shopping is done, and we are at the checkout.
Ben, where did this candy come from? Oh, Ben. Ben, you took candy without asking. You hid it from me. That is sneaky. And I am very disappointed.
I am sorry, Mom. I should have asked first. I made a bad choice.
Thank you for telling the truth, Ben. I love you.